The Pawl assembly consists of the starter cup, the pawls, pawl springs, and the pawl clips. It is threaded onto the engine's crankshaft. The springs hold the pawls against the recoil starter to turn the engine over when the starter rope is pulled. Once running, inertia pulls the pawls away from the starter. Over time, the pawls can wear down or even break off. Replacing the Pawl assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old engine cover assembly from the blower. Next, I need to remove the hub for the quick start attachment. If I try to unscrew the hub, it'll just rotate the engine over. So what I'll do next is bind the piston so the crankshaft can't turn. To do that, I'll remove the spark plug. Next, I'll take a piece of starter rope and thread it into the spark plug hole. This will fill the gap in the combustion chamber so that the piston can't move up and down. I'll rotate the engine over until the piston binds, and then use a pair of adjustable pliers to remove the hub. And now I can remove the pawl with a socket and an impact wrench. Now I can install the new pawl. I'll thread it onto the crankshaft and tighten it with the impact driver. And now I can replace the quick start hub. I'll remove the rope from the cylinder and reinstall the spark plug. Now I can reinstall the engine cover assembly. As I install the engine cover, I need to get this tab behind the lower brace. The engine is mounted to this base with some rubber isolator mounts. So I'll use a screwdriver to pry the engine away from the base so I can insert the cover in between the two. And now I'll secure the cover with the screws. And that's how easy it is to install a new Pawl assembly on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.